Hello, garden buddies. Welcome to another episode of Gardener on a Mission with me, Tony, the Tiny Gardener. This video, as you can see there, we're going to be planting these three Rudbeckias that I've sat here and almost let die again. Picked these up at a local nursery. This is called Rudbeckia Minibeckia Flame. Rather than growing tall and spindly like other Rudbeckia, Flame grows into a perfect 3x3 flowering machine that never flops over. Blooms start in midsummer and continue for months. The flowers are large, 4 to 5 inches, as you can see there. So that's what we're going to do, get these three in the ground here. I'm sure most gardeners have heard this. If you're new to gardening, there's a philosophy, I guess, or a style technique. They recommend that you do plant in odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. So we're going to plant these three right here around this volunteer black adder agastache, or agastache, or however you pronounce it. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put these here. As you can see, they're starting to wilt, so I got to get them in the ground and get them watered in. Hopefully I hadn't let these die. We'll start with this one, which looks the worst. Again, about a half a cup of biotone starter fertilizer. These are really dry. Look at that. Ooh, doggies. I have got to get these watered. I mean, that's dry as a bone. I'm sorry, fella. I'm just not being a very good plant daddy this year, and I know it. All right, I'm going to be putting mulch in here later. So that's one reason. Be planting these higher than the surface. But also here in Northeast Ohio, it's kind of the way you need to do everything, really. Plant them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. Oh, we got to get that watered. Got to get that watered. Put that one there, that tag. Right here, we'll get half a cup or so. Biotone starter fertilizer there. This one's pretty dry too. Oh, these poor things. I'm sorry, guys. I am so sorry. I mean, they're dry. They are dry. Come out of there, weed. Whew. If it seems like I'm in a hurry, I kind of am, guys. Gotta get some water on these guys. A little concerned about them. Really hope I haven't let them die. Doing some weeding as we go. You can see I got some thistle. And I got this one very high. There we go. That's better. All right. Two of them. These poor babies. I don't know if you can hear that. You can tell they're dry. Man. And that's with me. I had watered these before I brought them out here. So I guess they sucked all that up real quick. I probably have them planted a little close, but we can always move them. Right now, it's just imperative to get them in the ground and get them watered. All right, there you have it. Yeah, I definitely have those too close. But there you have them in the ground. We'll get them watered. Again, it's a Rudbeckia called Minibeckia Flame. 4 and 5 inch. Both of those. Ooh. Agastache smells good. Black adder. I'm gonna put them right here, right around this Agastache, because like I said, it's a volunteer, and I've already donated it to a neighbor, so we'll be digging it up and giving it to a neighbor here in a minute. Well, not a minute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope your garden's growing well. Hope you're doing well. I will get some water, get these watered in. Hope to see you in the next one. Arrivederci.